Hey everybody, I'm just gonna show you how to do Autostyler really quick. For this to work, you need one room. Alright, so we're gonna make a room. Doesn't matter if there's doors or not. Um, then you're gonna go down to Autostyler, right? You're gonna choose the one that you like. Let's say I like this one, right? Then you gotta choose what style. I really want to do a bedroom, right? And then you choose what you want from that bedroom. Uh, Actually, let me go back. Because some of these are paid. This one's not paid. There we go. Bedroom. So let me choose the bed. Put the bed right there. Do another bed. Two beds. Yeah. Yep. One right there. Blah. One right there. Rug. Right there. Right. Lamp. Lamp. Right here. Lamp. Right here. Right. So now that I'm done that, if you look at my room, single room, I'm going to do single room 3D. I have it there. Right. Um, I'm just gonna do one extra thing, which is I'm just gonna do a window, French window. Yeah. I wonder if I could stretch it, but just so it doesn't look so. eh. So that's my window. There we go. And I still need a door, double sliding door right here. Right. Now you look at it. I don't know if I should make. I don't know if you can make the doors bigger, but oh, you could. Oh, that's good. Maybe that's too big. There we go. That is my fancy room, and that's how you got to do it.